Every spring I fly, boom, like a pin I fly.
All them positions here. I see much. Hey, boy, you have underpants. Hey, we never. Blood clot. Hey, we never go. Hey, we never go. Whoa. People, we never go fly in a shirt and a while ago. But we say, maybe I say, you have a black underpants. And I say, you don't do a chop in a bed and rack. Jesus Christ, this man.
Reaction.
Oh, son, oh, let that know.
Hold on. I'm quality so low in idea, yeah. You know, the 1080p, man. Alright, run it. You the 1080p, man. Run it.
Hold on, no feather that.
No, I never.
She not club, I tell her that.
Oh, goshish, man. Oh, goshish. You know the reaction boss is in tune. Comment on this, but to see your comment right there. What's the ready to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? People, hit or miss. You know how we treat the Masicka reactions over here now. Hit or miss. Masicka, TyrekeReacts, official video. Yes, he was supposed to drop an album. We don't know what really happened with that. Why not drop it yet? We're still waiting on that. But Limelight was a hit. Yeah, Limelight was a hit. So all the Masicka fans drop a crocodile in the comment section and don't know chop already. No long talk, let's get straight to the video right now. TyrekeReacts, you feel me? We'll go see if it's a hit or a miss. Drop your thoughts down in the comment section as usual. Reaction boss is active. Run it!
And last night come down, sir.
Last night go where? What? TyrekeReacts, Masicka, go, run it!
TyrekeReacts.
Oh gosh! You like in Ghana or a girl yard? Or a man girl yard? Or a man yard where a girl there? Cause a man gonna walk. Go rocky bed. Me don't know. Me assume. Good!
TyrekeReacts. Girl like a kit up high. Treasure that. Hold down and take your pussy, no, never that. We make it.
You know we like those, right? You know the reaction boss like seeing them. Well done and take it. Hey, we'll break down every lyrics.
Girl like a kit up high. Treasure that.
Yeah. Like a kit up high. Treasure that. Well.
Hold down and take your pussy, no, never that.
No, we're not going to hold them down and take it. We're not force it. We're not going to press the matter. You see me, she give you the pump willingly. Talk your talk, Masicka.
We make it bread a lot, so we get head a lot.
Yeah.
What? Wet up my granny house, go get a map. Foot a swing so me in.
That's what make you brother a lot, so him get head a lot. Girl, wet up your granny house. People we are break on everything. We make you brother a lot, so you get head a lot. Girl, wet up where? Run back.
So we get head a lot.
Yeah.
What? Wet up my granny house, go get a map.
What?
Foot a swing so me in your sweater drop.
Oh, yeah. Your grandpa opened the door. Gramps. Guess what going on now, Gramps? Your daughter. We can see what going on. Come and watch if you just drop like 3 hours ago. Go on.
Better spot where she have, so me never stop. Tough. Holly get her back. She love. When night come down, so.
Me tell you this. You can't bring no blood clock man coming on my house. I should have me a Gramps. I run dinner table too. She invited him at dinner. What the bumper clot go on? Go on.
TyrekeReacts.
Oh Lord!
TyrekeReacts.
Granny, we see other granny.
Every spring I fly, boom, like a pin I fly. Broke everything from the dresser top. She squeezed the.
All the sister want it too? Hold on, but forgot to listen to the lyrics. We watch the video now. We know the video start telling its own story different from the lyrics of Blood Clan. May I get carried away. What I'm saying about
I fly, boom, like a pin I fly.
What fly like a pin, hold on.
So. TyrekeReacts.
I say bounce, TyrekeReacts. Me have to go back because me have to go back and catch the lyrics. Because me no want to miss nothing. People, all the video like, we don't want to go watch a video, people. We have break down everything. Hit or miss video and the audio. Everything I break down. Because right now, Granny make a video sell off. The video they told her 10 already. Granny I give chicken and rice and peas. And she has smile on top of that. Goshish, man.
TyrekeReacts. Every spring I fly, boom, like a pin I fly.
The dog say every spring in the way that fly like a pin. TyrekeReacts. And sister go and she a read book. She want the bed for react to.
Broke everything from the dresser top.
Yeah.
She squeezed the pussy when Fred and up. Night time.
Oh, Lord Jesus Christ, Lord! We love it, Lord! The reaction boss is in talk now. She do what?
Broke everything from the dresser top.
Broke everything on the dresser top. But guess what she do?
She squeezed the pussy when Fred and up.
She screeching the pums when who a knock. And she tell it, oh, Lord! We love them video. Oh, don't know, I love them video. And especially wish them party. Good!
Night time after you, but me tell about.
Yeah.
The right wine, but the face look like say ya.
Grandpa say, hey, you be down. I'm ready to tell me about my cloth house tonight, you know. You're gonna left me down alone.
Night time after you, but me tell about.
Yeah.
The right wine, but the face look like say ya. Old better rock. Give me the.
Oh, God. Hey, you make Grandpa it hurt him in that own house, Masicka. Why you do it? Why you do it, bad man? Why you do it? Me Jesus Christ.
Pussy you see if I'm never chat. Set a clock, the waist get a tick attack. Tick attack from the top till the trigger pop.
I go want them girl like Instagram. People, you know me. Hey, how long gonna watch me for? You know, say a long time with this, right? It's so me want a girl Instagram. I want a girl. And she don't wanna write here, so.
Set a clock, the waist get a tick attack.
See she, me I want a Instagram people. Baby, if you watch the video right now, I go want an Instagram. My Instagram the right as a people. You see me I say a bit, I want you looking for Instagram my life of Tyreke. Chop it up in the DMs 2 times. And then me I say, bad money in your own. Chat. And tune!
Tick attack from the top till the trigger pop. Pictures
Tick attack on the top, make it trigger pop. What? Lex!
snap, get the pussy pretty grip a cock. Bad bitch a that smoke and she sip a lot.
Bad bitch at that smoke and she sip a lot, she drink a lot. But this is something else. But if I give me the pum pum, we will never chat, I will never sit. I want to hear that part like what I'm saying.
Set a clock, the waist get that.
Not this one.
Old better rock. Give me the pussy you see if I'm never chat.
Give me the pum pum, you see if I'm never chat. We no chat. You see me I say, we don't chat. We don't chat. I want to number one thing too. We don't tell lie pum 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 like some man. Go on!
Set a clock, the waist get a tick attack. Tick attack from the top till the trigger pop.
Pick a tap on the chat, make a chicken. People, intermission time. What are your thoughts on the song right now? Drop it down in the comment section. If you enjoy the reaction boss, you see me, I just drop some fire emoji. You see me, I just get straight to the video right now. If you, hey, well, I don't know. Fuck it. Like your video. Like your video. Let's leave a like on the video that we're checking 1,000 likes on the video right now. So let's leave a like on the video. Mad. Hey, mad. Alright, now we're talking about run tune.
Bitch a snap, get the pussy pretty grip a cock. Bad bitch a that smoke and she sip a lot. Fat a front tick tick.
That's the pum pum pretty. It's tight and they grip a cock. When you snap and pick your pussy pretty and they grip a. Ooh. I don't like girls smoke though. I'm not gonna lie to him. I like girls smoke. But that's me personally. See me I say, go on.
Tick tick a back. Tick 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 tick. As night come down so. Better rock.
Show me the bathroom, babes. Fuck you want fucking a grandpa bathroom in a Masicka. Think you see a dirty boy.
Old better rock. New better rock. Every spring I fly, boom, like a pin I fly.
All them positions here. I see imagine. Hey, boy, you have other pass. Hey, we never. Blood clot. Hey, we never talk about. Hey, we never. Whoa. People, we never fly in a shirt and a while ago. But we say, baby, see you have a black one that pass. So I say, you don't do a chopping or better rack, you know. Jesus Christ, this man. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah.
My cocky no girl can't say that. Me and her not up like a dreaded.
What? Not like a dreaded. Bang, bang. Why is it about bang, bang? No, not keep on the wall.
The sound at the bedded. In the cloud where she headed. Pussy picture up on me phone. What she sending?
Where them gone so long with Wilma? Where the bomb buck like them gone so long, Wilma? You Wilma? I got there in the bathroom fucking bathroom. Bang bang and they sound at the bedded.
1 milli, 2 milli, 4 when me shelling. Girl pussy come me like gold, yeah me telling.
And hopefully grandma not join now. Wilma, I bet Wilma. I hope you go join them in a win, man. Hey. She know where I go on already, you know. I soon for your time.
Has night come down so. Better rock.
Oh, Lord! I better move it vigorously. Everything I move, all the lamp out I do a shake. All the lamp out I do a shake.
Better rock. She done my top freak, up on your head on the top, and your chop shit.
When you did that, Miss Darkskin? She didn't write that so. Which part you did there? There are some beautiful females in every them from what they Masicka. If I try with them, I see some girls I'm liking every them, you know. I love that. Good.
She for me, I'm a bed on the block, and it a squeak. She bed when I stop, no bag of sleep, no dirt on the cock. Me split
No bag of what? No bag of
freak, up on your head on the top, and your chop shit. For me, I'm a bed on the block, and it a squeak.
My chop shit. I say my fuck right now the bed on the black, Friend my sleep on black. Friend put the mattress on the black them days there. In my fuck girl hard.
Squeak, she bed when I stop, no bag of sleep, no dirt on the cock. Me split sweet and it's straight on the rock, the better.
But I know I'm just jealous of Masicka and them bag again. That's all I have to say right now. I'm very jealous right now. You see me, I say, me know what I have to go do in my life to accomplish them level of thing. Yes, me have 3 some and fuck all 3 girl one time and 4 some and them thing there. Yes, me do all of them things there, but Masicka them on a different level. You see me, I say, 3 some, yeah, the girl them do bad with 3 some. 4 some, why them never saw that? You me, I say, but guess what? That's the experience to do it for them.
I made that, Mr. The bass and the drop. Say she have a man, but I waste man of that. Say she when the pussy come, the whole place got a rock.
As me say, baby, which part the fuck you did there?
Say she have a man, but I waste man of that.
I'm man, I waste man.
So she bring the pussy come, the whole place.
What the fuck you did there? And why it a move so? It a move vigorously. It a move stupendiously. We have to go create some word tonight. Sharon, blood clot, girl, you look too damn good.
Got a rock, you better rock, I head rock. I leg all around me, waist pressure not a walk. You better rock, I head rock. Tick, one get a knock on me.
I'm jealous of you, Masicka. I'm jealous. That's the great cartel, say people. Me love pum pum, pussy and tell me that. Oh no, the rest, no. Buckle.
Better rock, old better rock, new better rock.
Well, the grandma up, Emma up with the blood clot, do us. I want to go on in there. Better rock.
Better rock.
Grandma, don't do it, grandma. Grandma, why you spying, grandma? Elma, why you look for the man about your daughter? Elma, you live your days already, Elma. You have to tap in nastiness in Elma.
Better rock. New better rock.
Nothing if I go on Elma is a mustache in and she drop asleep. Jesus Christ. Now I have to ask you a big question, people. Hit or miss? You feel me? I don't want to think about the video. Masicka better. I love the video. I love the audio too, but I love the video. I love the audio too, but I love the video. I love the girls them as you try. You know I'm going to create some females already. I like it, and I last time I do that video, and I'm do them things in that video. You see me? I say, for the video, I give the video a 9 out of 10. You see me? I say for the audio, I go see all the viewers them, all Masicka fans them, all the crocodile them, you see me? I say accept the video. You see me? So I see when I say in the comment section. You see me? Yeah man. Until then, Masicka want to the album. If an album, if you want to do an album review or review, yeah, I do review. I like reactions. I call myself the reaction boss. I don't consider myself as a review channel or what them call them, vlogger or blogger. I'm not a blogger. I do reactions. You see me? I say, I not categorize myself as no blogger. I not buckle come tell nobody no news and anything there. Don't see me do reactions. I'm a reaction channel. My name is TyrekeReacts. You see me? I ain't no fucking blogger, but yeah. Leave a like on the video, comment and subscribe. We're trying to get 20k subscribers before the end of the year, which is more than possible. We're at like 19.6 right now. After we post this video, we're gonna be at like 20k. You feel me? Cause you are gonna subscribe right now. You see me? I said more than 1,000. I'm gonna go watch a video. You know? I'm gonna reach how much? 20k. Anyways, big up for myself as usual. TyrekeReacts signing out of here. I miss my name, TyrekeReacts. I'm gonna change my name back to TyrekeReacts. Fuck it. Anyways, peace.